Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to OU Nightly. Whether you watch us from Norman, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, we definitely appreciate you tuning in this afternoon. We did have a cold front move through the area earlier this morning. A beautiful blue sky day. Get out there and enjoy it if you have not. This afternoon around the state, pretty much similar story, mostly clear skies. In the 70s statewide, 76 in Lawton, 74 in Clinton. Pick out your town, pick out your neighborhood here. 75 in Eden. And then coming up for your evening planner, things are going to cool down. Well, it's a beautiful day here in Norman. Temperatures in the 70s. What can your trick-or-treaters expect for tonight? I'll have your Halloween forecast plus your 5-day. That's coming up right after the break. You're watching OU Nightly. Very unfortunate, pretty bad disaster that happened a few days ago, and we definitely keep them in our thoughts and prayers. But actually, because of Hurricane Sandy, it's making our weather very nice, and it's going to continue to be nice throughout the next few days. I'll have more of that coming up in my forecast, because what it's doing is blocking off the weather pattern, and it's making our weather absolutely gorgeous right now. We take a look at our live conditions. 70 degrees, OU Nightly. I hope you had a chance to get out there and enjoy the beautiful weather that we've seen so far today. We're right about normal where we should be. Beautiful fall weather out there. Taking a look at our live iMap, radar and satellite composite across the area. You can see Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, pretty much clear, not really a cloud in the sky. We're under high pressure control for the moment. He's going to need a light jacket if you're heading out for late tonight. Coming up a little bit, I'll talk more about those big changes coming to Sooner State, and would you believe it, I have some snow chances for Oklahoma. You'll want to stick around for that. Back to you guys. I'm tracking the strongest cold front we have seen in a long time making its way into Sooner State. I'll tell you what you can expect in your complete forecast details. That's coming up. Tree pollen is in the high category, getting mixed up with all those winds this afternoon, unfortunately, for our allergy sufferers out there. OU Nightly weather pick today comes to us from Joe Remenko. This is from an airplane. He is an aviation major. This was when he was in class. That'd be pretty cool if you could have your class up in the air. He has it every day. And that's when a storm was coming through Norman right there. That's Robinson Street and 35 Highway as he was landing there at the airport here in Norman. Pretty cool picture. If you would like your picture shown on OU Nightly, go ahead and post it to our Facebook. We love to show it for you. Overnight lows for tonight. Yeah, thanks guys. As we round out our holiday weekend, we're going to continue with the sunny and mild conditions for your Sundays. Upper 60s statewide, I'm expecting. And then as we head to your early part of your work week, it looks like we're going to be seeing a chance of a cold front moving into our area Monday into Tuesday. The weather models are having a hard time picking up on this cold front. We're going to be tracking it for you, but it does look like it will bring with it a chance of rain for your Monday and cooler temperatures for your Tuesday. Let's look at your forecast. Back to you at the desk.
Thanks, John.
Once scientists are able to determine the differences between a menacing thunderstorm and just a summer shower, they can convey this information to the National Weather Service, who can in turn make better warnings.
John Haverfield on the road in Kansas. John, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Can you tell us what you're seeing out on the road in Kansas?
Looks like there's a couple of clouds streaming in from the west. We have some towering cumulus trying to spark off some thunderstorms off in eastern Colorado. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a tornado watch out there. We're heading north from Garden City up to Scott City, and we're kind of going to want the storms to come toward us. And when they do, the storms will be pretty powerful storms producing some large hail.
We're going to be talking about ragweed. It is the season for it. Right now you can see it. It's in the very high category. Really, this should be off the charts. The ragweed is very high right now. Hopefully with all the rain that we have this weekend, it should wash away some of that ragweed potential, but still a lot of allergy sufferers out there for today. Exactly. Well, that's coming up in my forecast. You have to wait for that, but it's going to be an absolutely beautiful Halloween. You really can't ask for much better weather coming up. It's just very fall-like. I remember when I was a kid having to be bundled up. It was just freezing.
Yeah.
But now the kids are lucking out this year.
Absolutely.
So it's going to be great. Let's take a look at that live iMap radar right now. You can see that big H. That is high pressure. It comes to us from Brandon Sullivan. We appreciate it. This is from last night, those storms I was just talking about. Look at that lightning strike. This was taken from the National Weather Center. Hey, if you have a good weather pic, go ahead and find us on Facebook, and you post it right on our site there. We'd love to show it for you. Surface map across the area. Here's the surface front right here. It's basically going to be draped in the same position that it is right now across Oklahoma for the next 3 or 4 days. And we'll also be seeing some upper level impulses riding along this front right here. And when that happens, it provides a lot of lift for some thunderstorms and rain showers to just keep going like a conveyor belt right across the central part of the United States. And that's what I'm expecting as we head into the weekend. All right, taking a look at our rainfall forecast. When you add all of it up as we head through, here's what's going to happen for Thursday afternoon. Going to have a cold front draped across our area, moving kind of slow as it dives to the southeast. In front of this is going to be 70s. mostly clear skies, strong south winds. And behind that, it's going to be north winds, 50 degrees, and mostly cloudy skies behind that for your Thursday. And this cold front kind of drifts to the south as we head into your weekend. Then by Saturday, cold air will filter in behind that cold front and really cool us down for your Saturday. You're really going to feel it. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. You know, we started the climb up the roller coaster on the front part of it. Temperature-wise this afternoon, those temperatures are going to be on the increase as we head into the weekend. And some near record-breaking temperatures. That's coming up in my complete forecast in just a few minutes. But for right now, things are great outside. It's a little bit breezy. South winds 16 to about 20 miles per hour. So not extremely windy as far as Oklahoma standards, but still quite a breeze out there. 62 degrees and mostly clear skies. Around the whole state, pretty much the same story. 65 in Woodward. 84 is the high out in McAllister. And for your 5-day forecast, there it is. Friday, you can see things start going downhill for temperatures. 62 for your Friday. Saturday, showers and cold and windy and rainy. Again, slight chance of some snow. I can't believe I'm saying it this early. Some snow off in the panhandle for your Saturday. Pretty cold day for your Sunday morning. 38 degrees, almost a freeze. Maybe a light frost in some areas. Then Monday, warming up just a little bit. Back in the 60s, guys.